Okay, so things have been a little hectic. Just trying to prepare the kids for school. Oh my God, I just feel like my lips is so dry. Just preparing the kids for school. This will be the first week of school starting here. So it's just been so crazy because me and Bae have like changed our routine. So we've been like working out. I'm trying to drop some of this, little extra weight and everything that I got going on here, and basically just get things back into a flow and routine. So speaking of homeschool, guys. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, I do have four children, and a stepdaughter currently. So that's the new addition to the family right now is my stepdaughter. But she fits right in with my others. But this is like the homeschool section here, guys. Okay, so I have a little bench area here that I usually put here. More than likely my daughter will be doing work, her work in her room, but I have all the computers set up here and all the kids. I had to take my time and go through all the emails, messages, get everything set up. This wall is going to be like the important wall. Over here is some information for them that they need. So I'm just trying to get everything together now. Okay, y'all. So right now everything is like a little chaotic just because I have to make sure everybody is where they need to be, because tomorrow morning is the start of our actual first day of the school year. I'm super excited that the kids just get an opportunity to learn. Again, I'm not excited about homeschooling them. It's very, very hard homeschooling children. Definitely 4 kids. It's hard homeschooling one child, let alone 4. And then when my stepdaughter is here, she'll be homeschooled as well. She has her own computer. With her school, they're actually out for a week, so she's just kind of chilling with me and the kids and her dad and just kind of just doing the family thing right now until she gets back home. Other than that, I'll try to like stay in tune with the vlog so y'all can see how the homeschooling thing is going. I still have a lot more that I need to put on that back wall over there, just like important dates and times they need to remember, their different schedules. So everybody this year has to be on the computer at a certain time. They'll be forced to be on like Google Meet, like a video chat thing with their classroom and everything like that. So it's going to be super hectic having 4 kids on Google Meet, one at 9, one at 9:45, or all at one time. I think everybody has to be online on their computer by 9 a.m. So it's going to be some early mornings and some crazy chaos. Right now, I'm just going to finish getting everything together as far as the emails, the kids stuff, and everything. And then I'm actually going to be hopefully preparing to cook some dinner. I got the kids outside right now and they're actually playing at the park. And Bae is out there with them. They're playing at the park. Once they get back in, you'll get to see all the chaos. I still have to do Eliza's hair. I'm gonna do my stepdaughter's hair as well. And today is just like a super preppy day, and it's Sunday, so it's a good Sunday so far. Got up, got a good workout in, got back in. Now I'm just basically taking care of everything in regards to the house, making sure everything is intact. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll come back and check in with you guys a little bit farther on into the day and just let you know how everything's going, how everything's coming along. And yeah, let's go, super moms, let's go. This is our year. Okay, hey y'all, so something I wanted to share with y'all is called Hum Nutrition. It says beauty starts within. This is my supplements that I've been using recently and I've been absolutely loving them, so I just wanted to share them with you guys. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's super cute. When you open it up, it says wake up with a purpose and start within. And as you can see, these are all the goodies that Hum actually sent out to me. This is red carpet. As you can see, it's for glowing skin and shiny hair. We have the Omega the Great Oh my God. This supports even skin tone, a healthy heart in your body. So this is like your fish oil. This is like your vitamin A and stuff. And this is like melatonin, and this helps promote a restful beauty sleep. So this is like, you know how you take lavender and stuff like that. This is amazing for that. Then we have the Skinny Bird, the weight loss program. This basically like speeds up your metabolism and like curbs that hungry feeling when you're on a diet and you always feel like you're hungry. So I've been taking these supplements. They also came with these 2 packs of gummies. I really like the gummies with benefits. We have the hair sweet hair, and we have the glow sweet glow. This is for your skin. Oh my God, I have to get some more of these. Like, I literally killed these were amazing. When it comes to these supplements, everything has been super cool. It's been working really well with my new like fitness regimen that I've been working on. So I'm gonna have my hair and my skin popping and clear. I'm getting some good sleep at this point. My cravings, everything has been intact, and I really love it. They also come with these really cute like cue cards that gives you all the information you need. It tells you exactly how you should take the supplements, what ingredients are in them. Everything here is gluten-free and all natural. Okay, if you guys are interested in home nutrition, I'll make sure I leave a link down below so you guys can go over and get you some. All right, now this is not a review video. This is just letting you guys know what's going on new in my life. Okay, Angel, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just going on each of their laptops and just checking out everything that's on their Google Classrooms and all the letters and stuff that I need. But most importantly, what I'm doing is I'm going through each and every child, and I'm writing down the time they need to be on Google Meets, any type of important messages and everything, so I can have everything posted up here on the wall along with those important papers over there. So Messiah is going to first grade this year. So it says, welcome to first grade. This here will take you to the student portal. This here will take you to the parent portal. We have a parent letter here. Just click around. I think the Google Classroom thing is like super cool because it actually gives the kids, the school actually gives the kids their own personalized email. And then this is the class schedule. They already started getting some of those assignments up in there. I clicked on this to get his schedule, so I want to make sure I print that out and post that on the wall so we can see that every day. And then this is the week of September 14th to the 18th, so all about me. We dive right into their first assignment. You would click on that. It comes up as a PDF. We can actually go right in there and view that material. This is the all about me thing. So this will be like his first activity for the first day of school. Kind of just getting to know him. So I am Messiah. So I just kind of want to like take my time looking at what the first week will entail for each of them and just get a feel for everything so I can have everything organized. The main thing you actually want to focus on when you're homeschooling is organization. It's best to just keep everything neat, clean, and organized. And this is the best way to go to keep you from wrecking your brain, because it's going to be a long and exhausting school year, and we have to stick it out together. So update, 919 frames we'll be having a sale. So we will be having the sale on the different glasses. I will make sure I post everything really soon because it's almost the 19th, so I am going through the inventory and getting that together now. So I actually have a space down in my cabinet, and this is like a bunch of inventory that's going on sale that's going to be posted. So I have to go through all these boxes and organize everything for you guys so everything is ready to go up and on the site. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. I'm actually working on getting a like a spin rack to actually keep the sunglasses in another area. So the kids should be getting in here any minute now. So I'll show you guys the kids and you'll get to see just how The family is. We're actually trying to work on a new family channel right now. If I can make myself look halfway decent, I've been like in workout attire and looking crazy, but I do have to film this week some sponsorship videos and stuff. So I'm hoping that we can get this intro done before Samira actually goes home. So that'll be super exciting. Hey y'all, my bad, I had a phone call coming through, and because y'all know I've been recording on my phone lately. But in any event, I was trying to tell you guys that this week is the anniversary for 919 Frames, so we will be having like a really big sale. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna check in with you guys shortly. This is the crazy one. Say hi, Miss Ian. I'm sitting here massaging my feet. We got the gang.